Hello! So today I'm going to show you how to make a picot stitch. It's super easy and it looks good when you put it on the edges of your work. So this is a placemat and I'm going to show you how to work a picot stitch on the edges of your placemat. So you can use this with blankets, tablecloths, the like. So let's go. So I have here a placemat that I need to finish by putting finishing touches on the edges around by using a picot stitch. So what I'm going to do first is to single crochet. You can use half double crochet, double crochet, but for this design I'm going to use a single crochet. So this is my first single crochet, and then I'm going to chain one, and then single crochet again in the same stitch. And then I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to turn our chain. And you can see there the back of your chain. So I'm going to insert my hook here. We're going to count 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to insert my hook on the third chain from your hook, but then it has to be at the back. And then I'm going to slip stitch in that chain. And then I'm going to single crochet again in the same stitch. Chain 1, single crochet again, and that is your picot stitch. Now let's do another one, and by doing that we have to skip one stitch and do a single crochet in the next stitch, and then we're going to skip another one, this chain, and work in the next stitch. One single crochet, chain 1, another single crochet, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to insert our hook on the third chain, but it has to be at the back of that chain. So 1, 2, 3, and then we turn it, and we're going to insert our hook right here, and slip stitch. And then single crochet in the same stitch. And then chain 1 and single crochet again. So there is your picot. To work on the next picot, we have to skip one stitch and single crochet in the next. Skip another stitch and work your next picot on the next stitch. So that's it, guys. That is how you make your picot stitch, and it's really super easy. So if you like this video and you learned something, please subscribe to my channel. And if you don't know how to do the single crochet and how to slip stitch, then you can find the link at the end of this video, so you can first learn how to work on your single crochet. Thanks for watching. Bye.